One chapter, one night, one decision. Alia never imagined her life would change over a single piece of paper. It was raining the night her father called her into the living room. The thunder echoed outside, but it couldn't match the storm. In her chest, Zayn Khan was there. The name made her blood chill. Everyone knew him. The Don, rich, feared, dangerous. But tonight, he was not holding a gun. He was holding a marriage contract. Her father looked pale, weak, guilty. He saved me, Alia, he whispered. But there's a price. Zayn stood, tall, cold, dressed in black. I'm offering you safety, he said. Security. A life no one else can give you. Alia looked him in the eyes. You're buying me? He smirked. I'm offering a deal. Marry me, live like a queen, or walk away and watch your father suffer. Her hands trembled, her heart screamed, but her voice said nothing. And then, slowly, she signed. They married that same night. No guests, no flowers, just a black car, a cold diamond ring, and silence. In the back seat, he looked at her legs. She felt it. His eyes undressed her with every passing second. She looked away. You'll get used to me, he said softly. I won't, we'll see. The penthouse was massive, clean, masculine. Like him, he handed her a black shirt. You'll sleep in this, he said. In my room, she blinked. Your room? You're my wife now, he replied. And I don't sleep alone. She wanted to fight, but she was too tired, too confused. Inside the bathroom, she stared at herself in the mirror. Zayn's shirt clung to her thighs. She felt bare, but somehow powerful. When she stepped out, he was already on the bed, shirtless, his body lean, cut, and hard. He turned toward her. His eyes scanned her slowly. From her wet hair to her naked legs. You look. He paused. Mine. Stop looking. Impossible. She slid under the sheets, staying far on her side. He didn't touch her, but his voice slipped into the dark like a secret. I won't force you, Alia, but I won't lie to you either. About what? I want you. Every inch. Her breath caught. And I'll wait, he said, until you want me to. The next morning, the sky was gray, heavy. She stood on the balcony, rain tapping her bare legs. The shirt soaked through, turning almost transparent. Behind her, he watched. You'll get cold, he said. She didn't turn. Maybe I want to. He stepped outside, barefoot. The rain fell harder. I said I wouldn't touch you, he said. But I'm drowning in the need to. She turned around, face soft. Then stop pretending you don't care. Zayn reached her into steps. His hand slid along her waist, gripping her through the wet shirt. His eyes searched hers. I won't ask twice, he said. Do you want this? She nodded, barely, and he kissed her, hard, hungry. The rain fell, harder as his mouth moved across her lips, her jaw, her neck. She moaned softly. Her fingers gripped his shoulders. I've never felt like this, she whispered. Neither have I, he said, pulling her closer. He carried her inside, never breaking the kiss. In the bedroom, he dropped her gently onto the bed. His body hovered over hers. Her legs parted. The shirt slid upward. He kissed her again. Slower now. Still want this? He asked. Yes. His hands moved up her thighs. Her breath shivered. He pushed the shirt up, exposing her inch by inch. You're beautiful, he whispered. Every damn part. They moved together, a slow, burning rhythm. Their skin touched. Their lips explored. Every moan, every gasp was a new language. When it ended, they lay tangled in sheets and silence, Later that night, she woke to find him watching her. "You're awake?" she asked. "I never slept," she smiled. "Why?" "Because I still can't believe you're here, in my bed, wearing my shirt." "My wife," she moved closer. "No," she said softly. "Not just your wife, what then?" She touched his chest. "Your weakness." The morning sun kissed her skin as she dressed. He stood by the door, arms crossed, watching her every move. "What are you doing?" she asked, trying to remember. Every second of this night, she blushed. He walked up behind her, wrapped his arms around her waist. "You're mine, Alia." In every way, she looked back at him, smirking. "You think you've conquered me?" He leaned in. "No, love, I think you've conquered me." And when he kissed her again this time, there was no tension and no fear, just fire and forever. The end.